With all jokes aside, a dryer malfunctioning is a serious issue. Dryers catch on fire all the time. Stay tuned and find out what happened to my dryer. So I came down here, wanted to start my dryer, and I have nothing. Hey guys, this is Ken of Mr. Ken's Tool Shop. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video. Today's video is going to be about a dryer repair, specifically finding out if your fuse is bad or not. This is a Maytag Centennial commercial technology, and some signs of your fuse being out may be it just doesn't make any noise other than the clutch sound going in on the button. Other indicators might be that it just was working yesterday and now it's not. And we're going to dig right into that. Further videos on this channel are going to be repairs like this, and also product reviews. Menards, Home Depot, things that these big box stores sell, including some just random other items that might surprise you. What you're going to want to do is take the back off. You just need a Phillips screwdriver and a hex 1/4 inch impact socket, and you can get the back off. Once you have the back off, you're going to want to look for some evidence of failure. There was so much lint in this dryer that it was evident to me that I should check out the thermal fuse. Now what the thermal fuse does is if the dryer gets too hot, too many thermals, it will blow the fuse so that the dryer doesn't catch on fire. So thank God. And to test the thermal fuse, we're just going to do a simple Ohms test on the fuse. Take the fuse out with the Phillips screwdriver. Turn your multimeter to ohms. Once you have your multimeter turned to ohms, if you are getting a reading OL, that just simply means that you have an open loop. There's a discontinuance in your circuit, meaning a break, and that fuse is bad. A new fuse should read 00. You can simply get this by touching the two prongs together to show you what perfect continuity would mean. And here we are testing the new fuse, and here's our old one with the OL reading. If you are getting the OL reading, that is good news. Order your fuse and you will be good to go. If the fuse does not test OL or non-continuous, you have another problem in the dryer. After installing the new fuse, vacuum any lint that you may see, including the lint that will be in the internal duct in the machine. Once you get the machine vacuumed out, simply put the cover back on and hook it up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hey guys, if you like my content, drill that like button, hit that notification bell, and you won't miss a beat.